Hi, this is Valerie. I am a Spanish and English teacher. I have been teaching both languages, Spanish and English, for more than 7 years. I love to teach my native language, that is Spanish, because it's a language that is spoken in so many countries. I teach kids, teenagers, and adults. I am also qualified to prepare for Spanish international exams. I like my students have a lot of fun in class and we laugh together. Meanwhile, we learn. I love desserts, to play the violin, and learn new languages. I hope to see you soon in my class, and I want to thank you for taking your time on scanning my profile. Arigato. 감사합니다. 谢谢. Thank you. Bye bye.